There's still a leadership vacuum at the Federal High Court as the presidency is yet to name a substantive CJ or confirm the appointment of the most senior judge, Justice Abdulkafarati, whose appointment as acting CJ of the court lapsed on March 16. It's an issue that many lawyers prefer to talk about in hushed tones, especially because many feel that the presidency has some information available to it which the public is not privy to and which is responsible for its foot dragging on the issue. But what are the implications of this leadership vacuum? I have the views of a few lawyers up next.
I'm very, very sure that the next most senior judge will act in that capacity till a substantive judge is appointed. But I feel that they should, as a matter of urgency, appoint a substantive CJ and don't try and politicize the position. I don't believe that the vacuum will be felt as such because most of the judges know what to do.
The situation will not call for any alarm as at now. The position of the law is clear on this point. By virtue of the provisions of the Constitution, which is the ground norm, when this type of scenario plays out, it is the president who is vested with the power to appoint the person who would take up the mantle of leadership. But the president cannot do it alone. It will be in conjunction with the recommendation of the National Judicial Council. So, but be that as it may, we look at the Federal High Court, we have judicial divisions. Each court has its own judge. The judges in those courts, in each of the judicial divisions, are vested, they are properly constituted to take decisions. So far, so good with respect to Federal High Courts. Such a decision is equally in order in the eye of law.
There are a lot of implications, far-reaching ones. For instance, the cases could not be allocated to the appropriate courts where the head of the court is supposed to do that. And I wonder why this is happening. And I want to blame the office of the president for it. They are not acting timeously. Those of us that are lawyers know that the last hope of common man is the court of law in this country.
And that's the program for today. Many thanks for watching. Please feel free to send in your comments via any of our social media handles. You can also watch this episode of the program or past ones on our YouTube channel. I'm Shola Sheyeli. Thank you for watching.